Channel. All right, so what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to change a tire. All right, not just any tire. I'm using Jeep Grand Cherokee, but it works on every car. All right, so make sure you like, subscribe if you like it. All right, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it because I'm doing it. All right, ambition, let's get it. All right, first thing, all right, you're gonna be kind of on the side of the road. So what you wanna do, you wanna make sure you're on a flat surface. Flat surface, not nowhere where it's going one way, none of that, all right? None of that steep stuff, flat surface. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slightly take them off just a little bit, all right? I'm gonna use a star pattern. So I go 1, I go 2, all right, then I'm gonna go, I got 1, 2, now I'm gonna go 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. All right, so I did a star pattern. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this bad boy, and I'm going to find a little triangle where it has the little frame bead. All right, let's slide that bad boy in there. All right, you can see it leveling up. All right. Now I'm going to put these two, insert these together. All right, I'm going to sit this in here, and I'm going to go clockwise. All right, so the way that clock will go. All right, as you can see now, the tire's able to spin, right? I'm gonna do a bump test. All right, so you just hit it, make sure nothing's moving, nothing's falling. Bump test is good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off in the pattern that I went. You can do any pattern, you can take it all off, it doesn't matter. 5-star is the best pattern. This last one is loose, but it's to a certain point where if I just put my foot underneath it, I can just spin it out just like that. All right, good. So I got my 5 lug nuts. About to take this off. Get my spare tire. I'm gonna get right underneath it. I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna make sure it's flushed. All right, now I'm going back to the 5. I'm just gonna go real quick just to make sure that it's flush. So I'm just doing it to make sure that it's all flushed. All right, and then I'm gonna let it back down. All right, so now what's happening, I'm at a point where the tire is pretty much on the ground, but all the force is not on the ground. All right, so with that being said, I cannot move the tire. It's not going nowhere. So what I want to do now is I want to tighten it. All right, so I'm gonna start wherever I want to start. I'm gonna go either, if I start it right here, then I'm gonna go here or I'm gonna go here. All right, so you're gonna do a star pattern. So I go here, it's good, flushed, good. So now I'm gonna go here, because that's the diagonal from that. So there, there, there. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower it all the way back down, and then I will just tighten it again to make sure it's good. All right, on this Jeep, it's 150 PSI. So when you tighten it, you want to put some muscle in it, but you don't want to over tighten it. All right, so it's good to tighten it as good as you can, and you know where it don't, you can't really get it going down that far. But after you do this stuff and you get your tire replaced, they'll use a certain torque. On this Jeep, it's 110. All right, so they will literally use a torque stick that looks like this, where they will set the torque to whatever it's supposed to be, which on this one would be 110. So I literally would unscrew this and I'll go all the way to 110, and then boom, 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 the star method. All right, appreciate you watching this. If you want to watch to see how you check your brakes, check out this next link. All right, Ambition out.